Nice job. Head down. This is our hardest one. Head down. Good. She can't hold it down though. Stay. Good. Head up. Very good. On your feet. Now back to that mark. Oh, I know. We gotta eat that feather on stage. Back to that mark. We'll do something a little more challenging, like a speak. What? Speak. Speak. Good. Have a wave. A wave. Very good. A sit up to look like a pretty girl. Sit up. Very good. On your feet. On your feet. Now back to your mark. Let's look at the side and turn. The other way. One more time. Very good. Now let's cause a scene where you have to be a naughty dog that has to get out of trouble. We'll scratch up the floor. Scratch, scratch, scratch. Yeah, that's right. We ruined some floors. Now let's say your owners come home and they see the mess. Why don't you show us how you get yourself out of trouble? You go put your feet up. Get around. Get around. Get around. Say you're sorry. All right, you're forgiven. And that's Annie's movie dog. She did a great job. That's just the fun stuff. Now we're going to show you something a little bit more difficult. So for this, I need the help of a young volunteer. I need a little lady who really loves animals. How about... How about you have the red shirt way up there? Come on down. Give it up for our volunteer. Hi there. What's your name? Chelsea. Where are you from, Chelsea? Wow, you came all the way from Florida. Welcome. Go ahead and have a seat in that chair for me, Chelsea. You're going to get one of these for helping me out. Here comes your canine co-star. He's one of my favorites. It's Alfred. You can say hi, Chelsea. He's very nice. Yeah, you can pet him. Okay, bye. Now with Chelsea and Alfred's help, we're going to show you a very difficult technique called the workaway. It gets its name because the dog has to work while facing away from the trainer. So it looks like Alfred will be taking all of his cues from our actress on set. So to set it up, I'm going to place one of his favorite treats right there on the ground for him to focus on. I'll then move behind Alfred, and I'll only use verbal cues. This is the workaway. Watch it. Chelsea, that's for the dog. That's disgusting. Stay. Let's try this again. This is the workaway. Good boy, Alfred. Stay. Stay. Lay down. Where are you going? Stay. Lay down. Good. I didn't ask that yet. Head down. Head down. Head down. Head down. Good. Head up. I didn't ask that one yet. That's his sit pretty, but I didn't ask for it. On your feet. Stay. Hike it. Good. Hike it. Very good. Sit. Sit. On your feet. Speak. 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 I want another good speak before I release him. Speak. 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 All right, you can have it. And that's Alfred with the workaway. Nice job, Hanson. That was really good. You know what, Chelsea? You're doing really well out here. We're going to do one more thing, okay? Alfred has a big audition coming up. He's got to play an injured dog that is searching far and wide for his very best friend, and that's going to be you. And when he finally sees you with the last bit of strength that he has, he's going to leap into your arms and give you a big old doggy kiss on the lips. You ready? Great. Open up those arms. Get ready to catch him. Come on, Alfred. Let's get you in position. Good boy. Stay. And just be quiet on the set. Cue music and action. Here we go. He's injured, so he's got to crawl his way over. I'm going to give him a treat for staying. That's very good. Good boy. Stay. Here we go. He crawls. Stay. Little too high. I want is a nice little low, pathetic crawl. give you a little warm-up. Crawl. Crawl. Very good. Nice job. Try that again. Crawl. Good. Stay. Crawl. Stay. Good. Very good. A little bit last leg. Crawl. Stay. Good. Very good. Now you see your best friend. So with the last bit of strength, you're going to leap right into her arms. You're going to leap into Alfred. Okay, hold on. This isn't normal. I'm going to go check it out. Nobody panic. Alfred? Alfred? Okay, hold on, I have an idea. He's dead! An Oscar-worthy performance from my good friend Alfred. Oh, why, thank you. I got a tweet. Here, for your troubles. Let's see what it says. Oh, it's not for me, it's for Alfred. With that performance, they're going to offer him a new movie deal worth $1 million. That's not enough. Let's bump it up to $2 million. Well, how about a date with that cutie? That's the deal he's going to take. Great job, Alfred. They're going to be so cute. Chelsea, we forgot something. Your doggy kiss on the lips. Don't worry, we've got a movie star backstage that loves to give so many doggy kisses. Great job, Haley. Thank you. And give it up for Chelsea, Universal's newest dog trainer. She did a great job. Now for our next animal star, I would like everyone to focus their attention right up top to the back of the stadium where that big silver door is marked with an X. I ask that everyone please remain seated, because flying in from The Mummy Returns, this is Vixen. Watch your heads. Make sure everyone remain seated. Watch those heads. Very well. And that's a beautiful flight from our African hawk Vixen, and a great catch by Sierra. Nice job. For any of you who tried to get a photograph of Vixen on his flight down, you can realize it's difficult to get a picture of a bird in flight. Our company realized this, so we developed a special effects technique, the wind machine. Keep your eye on that screen, because here to help us out is our stunt bird, Nico. The wind machine is just one way we use special effects on our animal stars in movies. To help demonstrate another, here comes our own interplanetary protector from Men in Black. It's Frank Capone. Hey there, handsome. Frank, you make that suit look good. Let's take a look at Frank doing his thing in Men in Black 2.
Who let the dogs out? Who let the dogs out?
Just like you and I. We do this by training him all the necessary head movements. Then your animator comes in, fills in the details, and you end up with a scene like this.
An internet now, ain't you, Jay's new partner? Who are you, white boy? Got kids? No. Want 'em?
But as you can see, Frank only talks in the movies.
That's what you think, pal. Got any more of those treats? I'm starving.
Yeah, but the better stuff's in the back.
Yes! Look out! Coming through! Gotta go, gotta go, gotta go!
Thanks, Frank. We'll see you back at the MIB headquarters. What a guy. Moving right along, let's get another child volunteer down here. Oh. Where'd you come from? put that in your pocket for safekeeping. Cool. And here comes your canine co-star. You can capture with Clifford, the big red dog. It's Bogey. Now with Bogey and Remy's help, we're going to show you that not only do our animal stars take their cues from us, but actors like you. You can ask Bogey any 2 items of clothing, a hat, shirt, short, shoes, pants. He'll get it for you out of that basket. Go ahead and tell him 2 items. Okay, you got that, Bogey? Go get that first item for us. Now this is not a trick. Keep listening very closely to Remy and getting us that item he asked for. Very good. Now, Remy, did you ask him for a hat? You asked him for a hat? Yeah, we got the first one right! Great, when we get that first one right, we never miss that second item. Back to the basket for that second item. You're going to be amazed because you missed the basket. Okay. You asked Bogey for this? I'm so sorry, folks. I have no idea where it is. This is yours. Remy, this is a family show. Ask for things like that. Who taught you how to ask for things? Your dad? You know what? No more dogs. We're going to work with a bird instead, okay? Great. I want you to stick your right hand out straight in front of you. I'm going to whistle, and we're just going to have a little bird land in the palm of your hand. All you have to do is sit very still, look at your dad, and smile like you're having fun. Beautiful. Here we go. Oh, no, Remy, don't move. Don't move. You do not want to startle a pigeon on your head, okay? Trust me on this. You okay? Okay, he was being a good sport about that. I'm so sorry. Remy, stand up for me. We're going to get that bird to take 2. We're going to make it a little easier this time. We'll put both hands out. That way you can't miss. Maybe I need some help with my whistling, too. Everybody whistle. Oh, Remy, that's 2 big birds. Remy, look out. Remy, duck. Remy, duck. Remy. Duck. You didn't get any of those birds. Don't worry, we got one more. Stand up for me. Keep those hands out there. Stand up, Remy. Hands up. You're going to get our South American vulture. It's a big bird. Look alive. Okay, here he comes. Remy! Give it up for Remy, Universal News Bird Trainer. He did a great job. We now come to my favorite part of the show where we introduce one of the smartest animal stars that we've had on this stage, and one of my favorites. It's not that dog. Guys,